What's up everybody? Today we are going to look at the Reebok, aka the Cabbage patch. It's kind of known by both names, so check it out. This is how we do it. Footwork first, as always. Really simple. So we step onto the right, the left leg comes up, okay? Just the heel, yeah? The knee stays in. Then we step back, and then the right knee comes up. Then we step, 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 okay? So, step on the right, step back onto the left, knee up. Then we go right, step behind, left, right, okay? When we do that final right, you can pick that left knee back up again as well. So it goes right, left, step, step, step. Okay, pick that knee up to repeat again. Left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Good. That's the footwork. Super easy. So from here, all you want to do is add in the arm movement as well. So when we go down here, we lift the right arm up, left arm comes back, okay? So it's like a running action, yeah? So it's like running, yeah? Then we pull it back and we're still running. Then we step, step, step. So that movement around there, so we have running, running, then we have step, okay, with the right, arms come out. Step with the left, arms are sweeping around, yeah? And then step, okay? Arms come back into the chest. Then we repeat, okay? Running, running, step, step, step. Running, running, step, step, step. Running, running, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right. Yeah? Boom. Ta. Sweep it around. Run, run, push and in. Run, run, push around in. Run, yeah. Push around in and faster. Push around in, faster. Push around in, faster. Push around in, faster. Yeah, good. Boom. Push around in, run, run, push around in. Boom. Ta, 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 boom. Ta, ta, ta. Good. Now, the final key thing with this is you've got the legs, okay? Boom, boom, da, da, da. You've got the arms, but as you may have noticed, when I fully get into it, I've got this kind of groove to it. It's like a... So the groove notes is something that a lot of people will just neglect entirely when they teach, but in my opinion, it's the most important stuff. Getting the fundamentals of the movement is the first thing, but understanding grooves is everything, okay? So let's try to do some music, because at the end of the day, dancing is all about music, right? So stop listening to me count and let's start listening to the beats. Let's go. What's up? If you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something, well then you're gonna love what I have in my very own app. I have heaps more tutorials, so many that it's gonna take you days, weeks, maybe even months to get through all the content that I have online. And the best part is I do one-on-one coaching in my app. So that means you can message me privately and send me your practice footage, practicing routines, combos, choreography, or just individual dance moves. I will watch it, give you my time, effort, and energy. I will give you personalized one-on-one feedback to help you succeed. That's what separates me from everybody else online in this space. Okay, so make sure you click the link in the video description below. You go check that out, and I've got a free trial waiting for you all. And guys, do me a favor, if you really enjoyed my content and you want to see more free content on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you turn on the notifications button so you can see when I post, and you give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me more than you can imagine, and I really appreciate you all. Thank you.